Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm glad that you're here today. Thank you so much for being here. It's been a minute. I haven't recorded a video in quite a long time, but I've been getting a lot of messages and a lot of feedback about my old videos, mostly about Dr. Joe Dispenza and Bob Proctor. And I just wanted to address some of those questions that people have been asking me in my email and in my inbox. And here we go. So the biggest question, or the number one question that I've had a lot of people ask me about is the cost. How was I able to afford $7,500 to invest in the Bob Proctor Coaching Program? And this is what I have to say to that. Some of the people that have contacted me are in a place where they won't be able to afford that right away, but they're looking for ways in which they can afford it so they can take the whole program. My advice is start where you are. If you just have a small budget, use that. Don't try to rack up more debt or brand new debt trying to achieve this goal. The Elite program is a combination of 7 courses, of which you can buy one at a time. You can buy the Winner's Image by itself. You can buy the Science of Getting Rich by itself. You can buy Goal Achiever by itself. Just buy whichever one you can afford, then move on to the next one and the next one and the next one. So it's always good to start where you are. You have enough to move yourself to the next level. You don't need anything new. You don't need anything miraculous to happen today for you to move on to the next level. You already have what it takes. So with a little budget that you have, do that. Or even just go on YouTube if you don't have a budget at all. YouTube is free. The Science of Getting Rich has been done by Bob Proctor, Jack Canfield, and Dr. Michael Beckwith. And it's all on YouTube and it's all free. And they do a really, really wonderful teaching here on YouTube. And it's completely free. So you go ahead and start on that one. And then when you get yourself to a place where you can invest more money, then you can do that. There's always a way, especially in this time and age, the digital world. I mean, we are getting everything like pretty much free, right? My second advice is if you want this particular course by itself, the Elite program, you can start saving. Small amounts of money over a long period of time will get you to your goal. Whatever way that looks to you, you can start saving a little bit of money this month, next month, and before you know it, you'll probably have your big amount of money and you can invest in this coaching program. I did mine back in 2017, and that was the cost that it was going for at that time. I'm not sure what the cost is today, but whatever that cost is, you can always save up for it. Number 3, be patient with the process. Nothing happens just like that. We always have to give it time. We always have to take a breath before something really happens. So don't feel like you have to run so fast at once to get to where you need to go, but just be patient with the process. Even if you are not able to save right now, you're not able to buy the individual courses by themselves right now, time is going to come when you'll be able to do that. In the meantime, like I said, you can leverage YouTube, you can leverage Google, you can leverage some friends who've taken these programs before that are willing to share. You can always do that. But patience is the name of the game. And then number 4, enjoy the process. Whether you're in the process of waiting, whether you're in the process of saving, investing, whichever process you're in right now, enjoy it. Don't wait until you get to the finish line for you to feel like you've accomplished something. Just the thought of taking this program on should be a very exciting venture in your life. And last but not least, keep your eyes on the prize. Keep your eyes on the goal. Know your why and understand truly why you're taking this course. Why is it so important for you to move to the next level? What does that next level look like for you? What does success look like for you? What are you looking to get? What are your expectations out of this program? If you're clear about that, then you'll find it'll be easier for you to do the little things that you need to do every single day to get you to that goal. They say to be successful, you have to do little bits of successful things every day. So keep your why alive, understand exactly why you want this program, why you want to do it, and then you pursue that. But in pursuing that, you always have to start with the smaller steps. And those smaller steps could look very different for you as they would to me. Identify those for yourself and start moving in that direction. So I hope this has a little bit of value for those who are looking to invest in this coaching program, or even any other program. It doesn't have to be Bob Proctor. It could be any other person that's teaching the program. I feel like they could be 1 or 2 things that you can get out of this video that would move you to the next level. Don't forget to tell me what that thing is. You can comment below so that we can keep that communication alive. And I can help in my little way possible. I can help you move on to the next level. So thank you so much for watching again. I really appreciate you. See you next time.